This video will guide you through some of the basic features of Enterprise, Monroe Library's online catalog. Enterprise is different from our quick search tool in that it only searches for ebooks and physical items that you can check out from the library, such as DVDs, scores, and print books. If you're looking for journal articles, you'll want to use quick search or a specific database instead. Access Enterprise by going to the library homepage, library.loyola.edu, and clicking on the tab in the main search box on the left-hand side of the page that says Catalog. This will take you to Enterprise's landing page. You will see a revolving carousel of books we have recently acquired. Above that will appear Enterprise's 3 search boxes. To do a broad search, you can leave the first box set to everything. Narrower search parameters in this drop-down menu also allow you to run more specific searches, mostly by format, for instance, ebooks only or DVDs only. Next, set the second of the 3 boxes to tell Enterprise how you'd like to search. You can search according to author name, title, keyword, or subject. Keyword searches are similar to subject searches, but you are more likely to receive a narrower set of results if you search by subject. Finally, enter your search term or terms into the blank field to the right of the other 2 boxes. If you're using more than one search term, we recommend going to the Advanced Search interface. Now, let's say you're looking for resources on some aspect of therapy. Type this keyword into the box and click the search button to the right of the box to view your results. If you return a large number of results, you can filter them by using the tools on the left-hand side of your results screen. Results can be filtered by author, material type, subject, or date. For example, if you know you want an ebook, just select ebooks from the options in the material type section, and then click on the Include button for that section. If you want to search for any material type except for ebooks, you would click the Exclude button instead. Our new filtered list of results now contains only ebooks, as you can see by the settings that appear at the top of the search limiter column on the left-hand side of your screen. To get more details about a particular book, click on the book's image to look at a fuller description. For more recent publications, there will even be a link to a preview on Google Books. Ebooks in our catalog will have a link to the book itself located near the bottom of the longer description. And print books can be found on our shelves using the call number, also located at the bottom of the description.